First of all, congrats Zahab on finishing your P6. And I'd like to take the evaluation through the way which points were good about your objectives, and then which things could have been developed. Coming to the positive thing, you selected the title Silence. So when the speech is about vocal variety, you chose the title Silence. So it was something we were wondering even before you started. What is the connection between silence and vocal variety? So it was a good choice of title. And your choice of words, particularly when you use connect to heart, when you said connect to heart or the medium of silence, the choice of words were good. Now, talking about your objectives, your topic was vocal variety. And the way you asked this question to the audience, we don't spend more time with ourselves. Aren't we comfortable? We aren't comfortable with ourselves, are we? And then you gave a pause, and then, are we? You lowered your tone. So that was really good. The giving a pause and then the repetition creates an emphasis. So that was well done. And the way you respond to the audience. When there was suddenly a phone ringing, you were telling something really high on a philosophical level. We have to spend time, and there was phone ringing, and then you were like tada tada, and so that spontaneity in response was good. That was really good. And when people were saying connect to people, they were connecting it to gayness. You could handle that with humor. So the spontaneity was awesome. And then moving on to the things that could have been developed. Looking from the point of the project objectives, when I think when it is about vocal variety, it has to be either about if the speech has more dialogue or more modulation. There has to be one of these. If there is more dialogue, you'll have scope for saying different things. If the man is old, you know how fast I was. See the vibrations. I didn't do it well. I'm not that skilled. When you have dialogue, when you have different characters, you could use on the different themes to the different modulations to take across. And when you choose one specific topic, it is recommended that you have more modulation, more ups and downs. And coming to the pauses, you used your pauses well, but I guess you could become more comfortable with your pauses. You said silence can be steel, and you laughed. When you laugh, the emphasis goes down. You could smile. When you smile, the audience laughs at you, but even then the emphasis will stay. If you laugh, that kind of goes off. And pauses are entirely a different dimension in public speaking. When Obama speaks, he says, there is not a white America, there is not a black America. There is only the United States of America. And he stops. For 30 seconds he stops, and people are just clapping. He doesn't say anything. So for us here, standing here, a pause might seem a long while, but for them it's just a second. So you could take longer pauses, so there will be more emphasis. Otherwise yours was a very well done speech. Looking forward to the next one.